Breaking waves, Apple's latest innovation, the Vision Pro, has made waves in the headlines, but not for the expected reasons. Tech Vortex delves into the current storm surrounding the Vision Pro, exploring user experiences and broader implications for the future of wearable technology. Join us as we unravel the complexities of this innovative headset, examining if it can weather the storm or if adjustments are on the horizon. Apple enthusiasts are facing a hiccup with the Vision Pro as reports of returns gain traction. Priced at $3,500, the cutting-edge headsets are criticized for comfort issues, headaches, and eye strain. Social media platforms witness an influx of users expressing their decision to return the product, coinciding with Apple's 14-day return policy. Comfort is a primary factor in return requests, with users citing discomfort, headaches, and motion sickness due to the headset's weight distribution, particularly its front-loaded design. Notably, The Verge's product manager, Parker Ortolani, shared experiencing a burst blood vessel in his eye, potentially linked to the device. This, coupled with strap designs, leads users to find the device unwieldy and triggering negative physical reactions. Despite the anticipation surrounding the Vision Pro's innovative features, users grapple with prolonged usage due to physical discomfort. The uniqueness of each individual's body and its response to wearables poses a challenge for universal comfort, often resulting in sacrifices for mass-market production. Beyond physical discomfort, users express discontent with the Vision Pro's perceived lack of productivity relative to its high price point. Some report dizziness when using productivity tools like Figma, questioning the device's applicability to their work. Issues with the coding experience, including focusing challenges leading to headaches, are also prevalent concerns raised by dissatisfied users on various platforms. As the return trend unfolds, it underscores the intricate balance between technological innovation, user comfort, and practicality in the realm of wearable devices. Tech Vortex will continue to delve into the evolving narrative around Apple's Vision Pro returns, exploring broader implications for the intersection of cutting-edge technology and user experience. Stay tuned for comprehensive coverage on this unfolding story. As the tide of user feedback shapes the narrative around Apple's Vision Pro, we'll continue to monitor the tech landscape for updates. Stay tuned to Tech Vortex for more insights into the evolving world of wearable tech, where each innovation comes with its own set of waves, and the future is always on the horizon.